Number 227, of the total registered voters in Barrio San Dionisio, 72% are aged 40 and above. If there are 2,400 registered voters, how many of them are 40 and above? So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 1,308, 1,438, 1,598, 1,628, and 1,728. Okay, so this is just percent problem and we just need to multiply this. Okay, so we have of the total registered voters in Barrio San Dionisio, 72%. Okay, so we have given 72% are aged 40 and above. If there are 2,400 registered voters, so how many of them are 40 and above? So to get the numbers of 40 and above, so just multiply this. Okay, so we have 72% times 2,400. Okay? So just multiply and then we will get the answer. So we can use 72%, we can convert this in fraction or in decimal. Okay? So 72%, that is equal to, in decimal, we have 0.72, or in fraction, that is equal to 72 over 100. Okay? So if we use fraction, so 72%, that will be 72 over 100 times 2,400. So I use fraction because we can cancel this directly, the two zeros. Okay? Cancel 100. So we have 72 times 24. And then just multiply this. Multiply manually. Calculator is not allowed in civil service exam. So distribute 4. 4 times 2, we have 8. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. And then distribute 2. 2 times 2, we have 4. 2 times 7, we have 14. And then add this. Bring down 8. 8 plus 4, we have 12. Add this. 1, 2, 4, we have 7. And bring down 1. Therefore, the answer is 1,728. And that is letter E. Okay, so if we use decimal, 72%, that is equal to 0.72. So multiply 2,400 times 0.72. So distribute 2. So we have 0, 0. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times 2, we have 4. Distribute 7. So we have 0, 0. 7 times 4, we have 28. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 2, we have 16. And then add this. So 0, 0. Bring down 8. 4 plus 8, we have 12. 1 plus 6, we have 7. And then 1. Count the number of decimal places. 1, 2. So the decimal point will be here. 1, 2. So same answer of 1,728. So if we use decimal or fraction, same answer of letter E, 1,728. So follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.